you're an interior designer or if you're into 3D in any way, this is your best bet if you want to create a VR experience and an interactive VR experience the fastest way possible. So, how to make doors open. We're going to learn how to make elevators move from one floor to another, and to import any 3D model or design that you have and just experience it in VR. So this is the viewer, which you can download for free also, and see any projects that we've uploaded into our website. You can download them and watch them and experience them the same way that I'm experiencing this project here. You can press W, S, D, or A to move around, and you can of course use your mouse to look around, and as simple as that, you can reach any point that you want. Shift is also used for running if you want to reach a point immediately. The left mouse button is used to interact with any interactive objects in the scene. You can see that you have an animated material here, which we are going to in more advanced. We're going to learn about how material and reflection is effective, and inside the VR experience through the SimLab viewer, VR viewer, and we're going to test our button if it works from the sequences. So whenever we hold the left mouse button, we see any interactive objects highlighted, like the button we just add the action to, and any other objects will also be highlighted like this one, but since we only have this one now, so let's click on it, and we see simply the animation of the door opening applying. The same way, I changed the material. I made an animation for this material to change once I click on the button. So this happened, and after I clicked the button, it became an emitter material, which we can also discuss about materials and advanced. It's also really simple to know. And also, once you get inside the elevator, I have applied an action to this button too. So when you click on it, the elevator starts to rise to the second floor, and we've arrived. You can also add sound effects later on in our advanced tutorials. This is a very easy option to do, but we'll stick now to the actions of animations, and we'll learn more about the advanced stuff later. Into our mall and the VR viewer, we can see we have the plane that we've added the buttons to, and once we hold the left mouse button, we can see the highlighted objects that have actions applied to them. Simple, as we've applied in the composer. Orange is for the default state, red, we can see now everything is red, and the green changes the same thing that we did in the composer. This helps you and helps the client of yours to deliver their ideas and their needs as immediate as possible. And this can be applied to make certain VR experiences, like training VR experiences, and to move your camera from one point to another, or to make more than one option of furniture compositions. This can be applied into anything. So if you want to change the columns, positions, you can make certain scene states differentiating and having a lot of variety. Back into our VR scene, so let's test our algorithm if it works or not. First, make sure that the default state is lights off before you run the VR viewer. So lights on, lights off, lights on. Yeah, it's interesting. It can be much more complex also. Depends on how creative you are. Another thing for your clients, now let's jump into our catalog. We have this empty room now. We're simply gonna talk about how we can add furniture into VR. We've reached the ending of our now you have the basic steps you need to add any project, any 3D model you have into our VR experience easily. You've seen how easy it is and how effective it is. You can make interactive experiences now, and also follow us because we will make many other in order to advance and get a lot more skillful. At the same time, practice by yourself. It's going to be very helpful. And ask us any question and see.
Combining the use of templates with attributes enables you to create interactions for a large number of objects with a very little number of nodes, saving you the time and effort and resulting in an astonishing interactive VR experience.
And ask us any question during that. Email us and check out our website for support or comment on this video. We're always happy to help. Thank you for watching.